beautiful, extraordinary, kind with heart and cute with smile females, and handsome, dashing, huge and high spirit males. Today we all have massed here with Maxim to gain social or political, scientific, holistic, sports, films, award, reward, goal, success, etc., etc., etc. My name is Harsha, and this is my third oration on the subject Roar, it's possible. Yes, it is possible. This oration is purely and exclusively regarding the strategies to gain, to roar, to achieve your goal, target, success, etc. So, first of all, I would like to say that you have to set a goal. You have to decide which goal you want to achieve. What is your success? Where you want to reach? And mainly, it must be the realistic one and achievable too. For example, if you say you want to be a bird, or you say that you want to be a tree or an ocean, all these achievements, targets are non-realistic and unachievable. So set a goal which is realistic and achievable. Secondly, looking at hurdles, difficulties, problems on the way to your target, to your goal. Never turn back. A person who is having a goal can never look at any such things. Target or goal is not nearby to you. It is not on left side or right side of yours. It's very, very far. And so, problems, difficulties are sure to come on the way to your. Thirdly, you must think positively. It is very, very important to reach to your target. You always be positive that you are going to achieve or you want to achieve this goal or target. Always be positive. Next thing I would say that you must establish regular and routine exercises, that is meditation, prayers, yoga, etc. Because all these exercises are very, very important to make you a disciplined person for your task. Also, prayers, yoga and meditation gives you extra strength in your body and a lot of freshness inside you, and it is very important factor to achieve your goal. Another thing I would like to say is goal. Another thing I would say is that never keep quiet, never pay attention to options or distractions. It will deter your mind from your target. Next thing is that suppose, if at all, you are reaching to your target, you must reward yourself. You must make your soul happy. You must make yourself happy even if you like to have a tour. One more thing, if at all you are reaching to your target, be a generous and gracious and help to those people who are trying to achieve their goal, finding it difficult and still having efforts to reach. Help them for their betterment. One more thing I would say, that to achieve a goal, it doesn't mean that you have to live just a happy life. Happy life means it is only a well-lived life. It is just a byproduct of happy living. For example, if a person is sitting in well-known, extraordinary bar or hotel and having a very expensive drink with nuts and wafers and sitting in a king style, do you think it means he has achieved a goal? Not at all. To achieve a goal is not at all so nearby. Goal is always very, very far from you. It is like achieving or reaching to a sun, moon and stars. So, thinking that you are known to only your related people, or you are known among your friends, or you have competition with your neighbors, doesn't mean that you have reached to a goal. Happy life means it must be of a particular remarkable standard. Then only it could be a goal. When you are living a happy life, you are known to only a few persons. You are not at all known among the world. To achieve a goal, it means you are creating a special place in the heart of each and every person without paying any rent. Yes, even children, old people, know about a person who is achieving a goal. So, achieving a goal, target, success brings an extraordinary, remarkable status to you. It's very important to understand what is goal, and that is the place where you have to reach. I would say first you start with a necessary thing, then you start with something what is possible for you, and you will see that you are doing something impossible, and that impossible is a goal. One more thing I would say, that if you are sitting in a corner with your goal, your target, it could be everything or it could be even nothing. But you go on putting your one leg in front of another leg, and one day you look back and you will see that you have climbed a mountain, and that mountain is the target. To achieve a goal, there is no limit of time. Sometimes you have to spend number of years from young to you become old, and sometimes even 2-3 births you have to take to achieve your goal. It's not at all just happy living life. It is really a goal. So I would say that most important thing, that when you are on your path of your goal, your target, you will get too many stones and bricks, but collect all these stones and bricks and create a beautiful palace in front of all these people who have thrown on your face stones and bricks. Yeah, that is the goal. Goal is not at all so easy to achieve, like buying a vegetable from the market. Not at all. Always remember, goal is like a butterfly. If you try to pursue that butterfly, you cannot grasp, you cannot catch. But when you sit silently without looking at that butterfly, it comes to you suddenly and sits upon you. That is called goal. So at the end, I will say that roar is possible for you, for me, and for all. The impossible word itself says, I am possible. Yes, roar is always possible.